What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today, well, we're going to be doing a stock portfolio update. Couldn't speak then, struggled then, that was a bit weird. Literally went into a bit of a meltdown then. What am I on about? What am I talking about? Anyway, that was the weirdest intro I've ever done on this YouTube channel. But yeah, today we're going to be doing a stock market. I feel like I can't say the word stock market. I don't know. Anyway, it's a stock market. So we're going to look at my portfolio when it comes to stocks, and yeah, let's get into that. But I did really badly sunburn. My neck's so badly sore. Doesn't probably look bad at all on camera because I just don't think it does. That light is so bloody bright. That light's really pissing me off. Anyway, I'm just going to get on with it because I need a diffuser and I don't have one on me right now, which is... yeah, anyway, let's just move on. So the first thing you're going to probably see on the thumbnail, maybe like, whoa, I've gone up a lot in my portfolio. Well, yeah, that's due to one of my stocks doing really well that you'll see later on, but also it's because I did chuck in $2,000. I did. I put $2,000 into Alibaba. That was more for like a trade, but because I thought earnings would be really good. It did all right, but the revenue was a miss, I believe, from what I remember, and the EPS they beat. So that's a shame, but regardless, even if the earnings didn't do that well, I had it as like I was going to invest into it anyway because, well, it's very undervalued. And I want to give a big shout out to Hector in my Discord group. He's well, he's been around for a while on my YouTube channel. He's been watching me for a while, and he's been heavily investing in a lot of Chinese stocks because they are very undervalued. And I believe he's in JD, I think one of them is. He's in, but as well as Alibaba. He did a good trade. He beat me to it. So he got on a 3x long with Alibaba a few days before earnings, and it was running up. So he took profit and made about 200 quid or so, which was really good. So the first one is Alibaba, like we said. I've got 27 shares of this, and got 1,800 in it. I'm down £200 because I put about $2,000 in. So it's not doing great. As soon as I bought in, I bought pretty much at the top of what it was before earnings, and it just plummeted down. As you can see, in the last week, it's gone down 3.5%, but it's gone down 10% from my entry price. God, that was a while ago. 17th of May now, back 17th of May. That was a lot longer than I thought. But yeah, so we're down at the moment, but I'm very confident that this stock's going to go over $100 in the next few months. So I'm not too worried about it at all, to be honest with you. But yeah, I put $2,000 into Alibaba. So fingers crossed it starts picking up. Been in such a downwards like trend for God knows how long now, like a very long time. It's got to the levels of back in 2016, I believe, from when I remember. Yeah, so look at the graph. 2016. That's crazy, really. But anyway, let's get on to the next one. So we got Apple, and we've got 7 shares of this, and we're nearly breaking the £1,000 mark with Apple. I've not invested or put any more money into Apple. Last time I bought these were 2 years ago, and it's doing the best in my portfolio. So I should have put all my money in Apple. Typical, really. But yeah, no, Apple's doing really well. It's one of those where you think, do you just sell and buy back in lower, or do you just keep hold of it? And at the end of the day, I'm not a trader really. I'm investing, so I'm not wanting to flip and trade and see where it goes, because it just won't end well. I don't know when it's going to go down, when it's going to go up. I don't know all the different types of technical things people do when it comes to trading. I know some basics like the MACD, the RSI, support levels, but really, do they mean that much? There's other things to it. So yeah, I'm just going to hold on to it. So Barrett Developments, this is an interesting one because this is my granddad's shares, 5,800 we've got. It's not done the best recently, gone down 5% in a week, but we got dividends paid now, which came to about £130, £140, which we'll check in a minute after. And I said, do you want to reinvest? And he said, no, hold off. I want to see what other stocks there are to buy in. So yeah, he might not be buying more into this. He might be buying another stock. I'm not too sure. I need to actually get an update from him to see if he's found anything else. But yeah, Barrett Developments, doing him nicely, doing him well. He was up a lot more at one point, but it is what it is, isn't it? So we're on Lucid, but before I get on to Lucid, the Barrett Developments, my granddad, his background was like a builder. He was building, so he likes that type of stock, and he knows a lot about the building trade, and yeah, so that's why he got into Barrett Developments. But that's not also just the reason, because he used to be a builder and things, but it plays part. Don't know why I said that though. Lucid, okay, we're on to Lucid. This is the one we dread. Down a lot of money on this. The FX impact helps actually. If that didn't exist, whoa, not good. But yeah, Lucid, not too bad. Not too bad. Not doing well. What am I on about? Let's move on. Neo. Wow, again, I remember buying this at $18, thinking I was getting a good price. That was like a year ago or so. God, it's just crazy, really. This stock, I remember when it was proper, like smashing it, $60, and people won't want to buy it at $7, but people want to buy it at 60. It's crazy, seriously crazy how things work. But when you're in a big bull market, things like that happen. It just goes crazy, really. So that's when you need to sell. Palantir. So we're up 16% in the week, up 75% in the month. So it's absolutely smashed it. Earnings, they've done really well. They've done a good earnings report, and they're saying they're going to be profitable for the next 4 quarters. So that's why a lot of people are buying into it. Could be going into the S&P 500, and I think it's getting priced in at that point, and that's why it's probably going to start selling off soon. Again, do I sell and buy back lower? Then at the end of the day, I'm just an investor. I'll just average down. If it goes down a lot, I'm going to buy. I wanted to buy below $9. I don't know if it will do that again. If it does, I'll buy more. But I do want to seriously start buying some more shares of this when it and if it does go down again. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. Well, it's down 6% in after hours. So yeah, it might be the start of like it going down now. But yeah, 5,323, down quite a lot still. A lot, to be honest with you. I'm down. My average is $22. But yeah, it's done me well recently though. Polestar, don't have much to say about this, just down a lot again. Senseonics, just down a lot again. Ridiculous amounts I'm down. It is crazy when you look back at when it was the bull market and everything, and some of these stocks like $4.60 and it's now 66 cents. It's just mad, really. Tesla, this is doing all right for me. $1,177 pounds in this, sorry. It's on $193. Yeah, not bad. I bought in at my average. If you watched my video 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, I bought in at $166 around my average again. Chucked a few £100 in because I just knew it was I just had a feeling it was gonna go up. It was a good price. So yeah, bought in some more and it's gone up. Virgin Galactic, it's up 16% after hours. Whoa. Okay, that's all right, but it's just not, because look, I'm down so much. So let's just move on. So we've got £16,620 in this portfolio, and I've got free funds of £126, which was the dividends of Barrett Developments. So we'll see what my granddad puts that money into. Is he going to reinvest into Barrett Developments because it's going down in price, or is he going to buy another stock? So we'll see. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new. Like this video. You can see more of what gets up, like what we do with this portfolio, really. Let's get into the invest. £264 in this one, and we're up pretty damn good on this, 39%. Yeah, what's it done in the week? It's gone down 13%, so it's not been great this week. But yeah, we've got £264 in this. Let's add it all up, see what we've got. So in total, we got £16,883 in the portfolio. Not bad at all. At least we're going up, which is good. If you do want to see a crypto portfolio, please hit that thumbs up and also comment below, because I will do another one. Obviously, the other one didn't do as well, but I know some of you still do like to watch them. But just let me know if you do want to see more of those, and I will update you on my crypto portfolio as well. But if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.